What's going on, everyone? As you can see, it's a little bit of different car that we're in today. We're in the wagon, so we're going down to Carolina Speed's grand opening car event. It's about like an hour drive for me, so we're just gonna go down there, get the wagon cleaned up a little bit before we get there, and then see what's all out there, man. Just get some good quality. It's pretty cold outside. I think it's let's see, the car doesn't tell me what the temperature is. I think it's like 32 or 34. It was somewhere around those temperatures, because I definitely was like, oh man, it's cold. It's cold as hell. So we'll see. But one of my buddies, Randy, is hosting this, and he was like, he's been promoting it, so supposed to have a DJ, supposed to have like some Mexican food, and you know, it's supposed to be a good turnout, so I'm on the way there now. I like to go things early because I know sometimes if there's a good turnout, parking gets a little chaotic, so yeah, we're currently on the way down there right now, so shouldn't take that long. I'll be doing like 64 the whole way. We're just gonna cruise, turn on these heat warmers, and call that shit a day. So see y'all when we get down there.
The only car to actually get rid of mine.
Damn. Yeah, we made it out here to this meet out in Leland. We got Jacob. He's known for his ZR1, but this shit's pretty fucking sick.
Man, they just bought it too.
Yeah, he still got the Timtex. GT3RS. This shit's crazy. You ever watched the dude Matt Armstrong on YouTube? He's rebuilt like 2 of these motherfuckers, bro. Damn, he's got the carbon package on it too. Nice. Bunch of regular traffic now. It's not a bad meet. A little bit more people than we thought I thought it was gonna be out here, but
yeah, I was worried about.
Yeah, we got Jacob out here eating. What are you eating, Jacob?
Quesadilla.
Dang, tell us about the Z01, bro. He's got the Toro de Lexio.
Tour Deluxe Rally, man.
Toro de Lexio.
It's alright. I missed English class too.
This fucker.
So you really want to know about it?
I mean, why not, bro?
Okay.
Besides all the sticker bombs, this man is.
I know.
They're fucking stickers, man. They love their stickers.
They are. So, 22 ZL1, mostly built for track racing. Run some tires that I have to replace way too often. It hurts my wallet. But pretty much just aero, suspension, and that's really it. No power upgrades yet.
Yeah.
I'll probably just end up throwing a Maggie on it.
Yeah. He's got the carbon fiber wing.
I know. This is wrapped so that people don't know it's carbon fiber and no one tries to steal it.
I mean, you live in the neighborhood for people to steal your shit, so.
I know, right?
And he's parked next to a Stingray out here. And you got our mom car. Dang. You got the EcoBoost out here with the
2.3.
2.3 with the.
At least they were
Isn't that the same motor in your truck?
No, 2.7.
Oh, my bad.
But at least they're honest with the badging, right?
Yeah. He's got the GoPro on the back there. Probably fast. Catfish Camaro. Is this a V8? I don't know. I don't know these. This is your fucking expertise.
Let's see which model it is. They have a D-badge. It's probably probably a C63, but it could also be a C43. The C43 is twin turbo V6, C63 is twin turbo V8.
It's got the Termi.
Is this an S6?
I don't know.
Old car?
Is this an actual imported tag or imported car? It's got the Euro plates. Huh? Yeah. Oh, he's fully down though. Yeah, he's got a pulley on it.
These things love to whine.
Yeah. GTO on the C6 wheels. Got a C6. Got a pond. This dude's out here in the camped out C6. See what else is out here. Nice OBS. Tug slam. Got the Audi. Look at this.
Tell Jamie I said what's up.
Oh, alright, I will. Z on the Y. It's got a little and the 8. Who owns the Z? One of y'all own the Z?
No.
Oh, okay. I was gonna say y'all like figured it out was y'all. GR package Supra. 502, big block in there. Nice.
Yeah, I mean, bring that out there. I'll bet you one that tilted easy.
Alright, as y'all saw, the meet was pretty decent. Like, it wasn't a bad meet. I forgot to record an outro when I was out there because, like, I kind of got distracted, started talking to people that I knew, and yeah, I'm not too good at the whole recording thing. But yeah, man, the meet was pretty good, man. It was a good turnout. I started recording a little bit later because I was, like I said, I was talking to my like friends and people that I knew. But definitely was a good meet, and I definitely recommend, you know, if you're in a local area to like pop up to the local Leland meets and stuff. Even the Jacksonville meets are getting a little bit better, but yeah, man, until next time, that's really it, man. So, see y'all again. You know, as always, like, I'm always doing some shit, so probably be recording and then posting like 3 months after I recorded it. But that's it. That's really about it. So, see y'all on the next video. Stop recording.